Trey here with Dr. Home ZCG Investments. Another successful close. We're here at Liberty Title today with Jeff. Jeff, man, how was the process for you?
Went great. Trey was here helping throughout the whole process. We made it quick, easy, and everything went as planned. And Trey led the way, and everything worked out.
Awesome, man. So what's next? Getting up out of town and taking a vacation first, or
taking a vacation, taking a week off, and moving to Ohio, purchasing our next house.
That's awesome, man. I wish you nothing but the best. And we're always here for you if you need anything in the future as well.
Appreciate it. Thank you.